Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Illustrated Faith Advent release and get all set up for a December study. Let's go! It is Advent season over at Illustrated Faith, and I left a little bit early for Thanksgiving, so I missed the opportunity to get a chance to unbox this kit for you. This is the Advent kit plus some extra goodies from Illustrated Faith. Thank you so much to Shauna Noel for sending me these so that I can share them with you. I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you. All of these are still available over at the Illustrated Faith shop. You can check out their physical side of the shop, which means you get physical product just like this in the mail, or they have a digital side, the print and pray shop, where you can download the digital files and print them off at home and still participate in all of the Advent fun. So I'm going to get all of these goodies. It's packed just like a present, you guys. It was like packaged so beautifully. I'm going to take these out and we're going to check them out. Let's do it. Illustrated Faith always changes it up just a little bit for the Advent study. It's something a little extra special. You get to open little presents each day, and they are following the Come and Carol theme this year again, which I love, because what that means is that on every day, December 1st to the 24th, we have a song and we have the scripture that we can focus on for that particular day, which I love. So it has it all listed here. And then we get, this is what they're calling the Carol Keeper, which is so stinking cute. I love this little file folder system. It's adorable. Look at the expand a file folder thing. There are 12 pockets in here full of 12. It's supposed to be one pocket for every 2 days. And it's full of all kinds of good goodies. You have ephemera, you have some stickers, you just have some fun things. Spoiler alert, I'm going to be using all of these goodies within this video as I set up my faith planner for the month. Yes, I open it in advance and I use all the goodies to get set up. So you can do it however you like, but there's lots of fun little goodies and we're going to use it to set up my faith planner this month. And then of course I'm going to be keeping this little keeper thing because I think it is maybe one of the most adorable things I've ever seen. Like, look at how cute that is with the little record. Praise you again and again. This is definitely reusable and something that I will keep. Love that. Then, along with the kit this month, there are some extra fun goodies available in the shop that you're going to want to check out. First of all, there are 3 new washi tapes. We have this one that is snow confetti with all of these bright colors. I love this one, Pink Christmas. Look at how the little jingle bell is stuck in there. That is adorable. How cute is that? Pink Christmas with the cute evergreen. I love that. And then Christmas floral, one of my favorites. So pretty. So 3 new washi tapes that coordinate color-wise with the kit, but also I feel like you can use these for other things, which I always love. I'm a tiny bit obsessed with these paper clips that are shaped like stars. I love paper clips in different shapes, and these are beyond adorable. So these will definitely be finding their way into my planner. I love that. There are also some other goodies. There is a stencil available that matches, it's snow confetti. It matches the confetti in here. I love that for art journaling, for your Bible journaling to use in your planner. And then 2 brand new stamp sets. You have the Christmas Chit Chat, So Very Merry, Jesus is the Reason, Make Room, Shake It Like a Snow Globe. That is adorable. Sweater Weather, Cold Hands, Warm Hearts, Wonders of His Love. Love that. And then Pattern Builders by Elaine from her Art Essentials line. You have the snow confetti, the asterisks, and then the music notes, which is perfect for Come and Carol. So all of these goodies still available. Go check out Illustrated Faith. And then they also sent this little Advent card set. It is called In His Presence. I love these. Now, I tend to not use these in my journaling. What I tend to do is use these up on my family's dining room table here's what I do. I will probably put a ring through this, and then I will have it sitting out. It has the dates on here. We will look at these cards as a family each morning. It kind of gives you a little devotional. It will have a scripture reference that we'll look up and read as a family. And it's just a great way through the season to kind of get our hearts set in the right place, which I am very much excited to do. I love the Advent season. It's just such a special time of year, and I cannot wait to get all set up. So if you haven't gone to check it out, head on over to Illustrated Faith. It is not too late to pick up these goodies and join us for Advent, for the last study of the year. And then also check out the Print and Pray shop. There's lots of great coordinating goodies that go with the study and some fun things to do. So without any further ado, I am going to get my faith planner set up for December. Let's do it. This is absolutely a beautiful kit, and there are some fabulously creative ways to work through the kit, and I hope that you take some time to check out the Illustrated Faith website, to go follow the Illustrated Faith creative team and see some of the ways people are working through this kit. I happen to know for my season of life, for the busy family that I have, for the busy business that I have, that I'm going to need to keep this really simple in order to actually work through the project this month. And for me, it's really important because things are so busy. It's so easy to lose sight of the reason for the season, for why all of the hustle and bustle, all of it. And so I want to have this daily time in my Bible, this daily reflection time, and working through the kit in my faith planner helps me to do that, and keeping it simple with the setup also helps me to do that. Will I be doing additional work outside of my faith planner? Yes, I will be doing some Bible journaling with this kit and maybe a few other things, but I'm not going to put pressure on myself to do that, because then it becomes a little bit more about the art and the crafting rather than the study. And I know where I want my heart to be, and I know where my heart needs to be. And so for me, that just means keeping it really simple. What I started with is I'm actually just cutting up the introduction card that has all of the music and the verse references, and I'm cutting those little strips and putting them each day of the month, each day of Advent, so that I can start on December 1st, turn to that day, I can put the song on my Echo Dot, and I can just start reflecting and really enjoy that time. I've talked about it before. What helps me is doing the decorating in advance, which is what I'm going to do right here. I actually did not end up pulling everything out. In my opinion, a lot of the pieces that you're pulling out on the days don't necessarily have to go with that day. You can use them at any point during the month. So I kind of just started at the beginning, pulled out what I needed to get started, and I didn't use it all because, of course, Illustrated Faith is always so amazing to really pack their kits very, very full of all of the things. And so now I know I will have plenty to be able to create additional either faith planner spreads or Bible journaling, whatever I want. I know I'm going to have some options there. So we're going to start out with this washi tape. I am going for it with the washi tape. I am using it to basically mark off the days of the week that I don't need it. This study will start on Friday, December the 1st. So I don't need anything in this week before that Friday. So I'm just going to use the washi tape here at an angle and then very carefully cut it all out and get my pages prepped. It's kind of a fun way to make your own scrapbook paper. It's a fun way to use one of those supplies that can tend to multiply in our craft rooms. Washi tape rolls are so small, they're so cute, and it's so easy to collect so many of them. And I feel like I very rarely ever finish a washi tape roll. So why not just go for it and use your washi tape in all kinds of fun ways? And you'll see me using it a lot in this particular setup. Here's the deal. If you find a technique or a look that you like, there's nothing saying you can't repeat that look, either in your planner on multiple weeks. Maybe if you are doing faith journaling, you can repeat a technique, a look to a page on more than one Bible journaling page. You don't have to reinvent the wheel every time. That can be taxing and draining. And if you enjoy what something looks like, or you enjoy the process of putting a particular technique on a page, then you know what? Go for it and repeat it as many times as you want. Originally, I was going to do a little bit more stamping and such, but I just loved all of the ephemera that I got. So I just used the ephemera just to really set the tone. We have All Glory Be to Christ, fa la la, to set the carol feeling. And then I'm just putting the things on the page and going for it. Now, in the next set, I was super excited because you all, as soon as I figure out where these ephemera pieces are going to go, that Amazing Grace, perfect, because that's the song for that particular day. These are rub-ons. That was in one of the little file folders, some adorable little snow confetti rub-ons. If you haven't tried the rub-on transfers yet, first of all, you need to, because they are so fun. It's basically like a tattoo on your page. It's not a sticker, it is on the page permanently. You see how I'm using this popsicle stick to kind of rub it onto the page, transfer it over. It's just I love using it. It's just so fun to use popsicle stick and to like go at it. And B, it doesn't add any bulk to anything you are creating. So it just is perfect for so many of the types of crafts that I do, where it's in a journal, in a planner, in a Bible, and I'm not super interested in adding a ton of bulk. Love, love, love those. And you can write over it. It's just, there's all these ups to using rub-on transfers that I have been loving recently. This page, pretty simple. Just wanted to kind of unify the page with that snow confetti in the background, add a few ephemera pieces, and that is going to be that. I don't think I mentioned that the planner that I'm currently using for my illustrated faith studies is actually the Kellofaplan Faith Planner. So she has, I don't know if she still has it available. She did have a faith planner available over on her website. This is the one that was released during the summer. And she released another undated, kind of updated version earlier this fall. So be sure to check that out if you are interested. I've been using it. It's just enough space for me to write a little bit each day about these illustrated faith studies, and I've very much been enjoying using it. I think I've used it since August and really enjoyed the format. The washi tape, what I love about this particular faith planner from Kellofaplan, big margins all the way around. So I was able to use that washi tape. Hello, huge impact with not a lot of work. Washi tape all around the borders of those pages, add a few ephemera pieces. I just loved how that whole feel looked. I loved how much of an impact it made. So you know what? I decided to repeat it with a different washi tape. We're going to bring in the snow Fetty washi tape here in just a second, as soon as I pull out a few of these ephemera pieces. And I love how it comes together. You could do this for a whole month, and you could do just the washi tape. Maybe you're wanting to save paper pieces for your actual journal entries, or you're wanting to change it up. There's no reason you can't just use washi tape. Sometimes it can even be overwhelming because there's so many choices of what to use. Start with something simple that you know you love, and then build upon that. The washi tape, like I said, I liked the look. It makes a big impact. It wasn't crazy hard to do. All I did was just do the washi tape as a border around the whole page, and then I had to repunch the discs in the page just to make sure that I could pop it back into the planner. But we're going to do that around the edge of this. This is the last week leading up to Christmas Eve on Sunday the 24th. What will I do in this faith planner between Sunday and January 1st? I will probably take a tiny break and then prepare as I move into a new faith planner starting in the new year. And stay tuned, because I definitely will have updates on my planner lineup and things like that coming very soon. All right, I am excited though to dig in to see what else is in the file folder. If you have already received this kit from Illustrated Faith, let me know if you are going to open it little by little. Are you going to empty out all the contents? I would love to hear your kind of plan for how you're going to work through Advent. Let me know down in the comments below. Or if you are doing a different study for Advent, I would love to hear about that as well. All right, once I've finished my weekly spreads, I'm going to pop back to the front. Now, I'm not doing a monthly spread for this particular study because I didn't see a need for it this time around. Got to add those paper clips because those are adorable. But I am going to do a little intro page. Shauna Noel always includes a sweet note in my packages, and I like to save those because I think she's just a fabulous person, and I want to save those, and I like decorating this front page as well to set the tone for the study for the month. Once that is done, this is it for my Advent setup. Simple. quick, but you know what? It's perfect for me in this season. And I think we've all had seasons like that. Sometimes when we have a lot more time to be creative and craft, and sometimes where we are just holding on. And that's kind of what it feels like. But this is going to give me a chance to really enjoy the season and get my heart in the right place. As always, I will link all of the supplies that I use down in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I want to give a huge shout out to all my Patreon members. We are going to have a fun month of December, and I'm already looking forward to 2024. Now is a great time to head on over, join us over on Patreon, give yourself a little holiday gift as well. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.